This is the DeepSpace Dino 20, and we've set ourselves the challenge. Well, Angry Karen has set us the challenge, and that is we have to get this thing to 100 kilometers an hour or face the wrath of Angry Karen. Can we do it? Let's find out after the first run. Okay, so that was the first run and we didn't quite reach 90 kilometers an hour, let alone 100 kilometers an hour. Can this little thing do it? Can it keep us away from the forfeit of the pocket and the Darwin and line of sight again? Let's go with the final run and find out whether or not we can hit 100 kilometers an hour. Let's freaking go. Okay, so that was the final run of the DeepSpace Dino 20 and we hit 99 kilometers an hour, which means we have to face our fate and we've got no choice now but to do the forfeit here at the field with the Radio Master Pocket and the Darwin FPV. Wish us luck. Okay, well, we had a laugh and we had a joke and we had a little bit of fun there, but 99 kilometers an hour for something so small is more than respectable. Really, really impressed with it. Got any questions whatsoever, drop them in the comments down below. One more day. YouTube and I have had a chat and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.